Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the fabric and sticker. This matters because adhesion is everything. Clean the area with 70% alcohol or mild soap, then let it dry completely. Once dry, use a ruler or seam as your guide and position the sticker. Align it within 1/4 inch for symmetry. Peel the backing slowly and make sure you don't touch the adhesive. Finger oils reduce stick. Press the center first, then smooth outward to lock the edges. This prevents bubbles and ensures even contact. Next, you add heat and mechanical support because heat activates many embroidery sticker adhesives. Set your iron to low or medium without steam and test on scrap. Once done, press the iron onto the sticker for about 8 to 12 seconds with firm pressure. Lift and repeat if needed, moving slightly to follow the sticker's shape. Make sure to protect the design with a thin cloth. If you want durability, secure the perimeter with a narrow running stitch. This reinforces edges where wear starts. To finish, trim stray threads and, if needed, seal cut edges lightly with fray check or clear polish. This prevents unraveling. Once applied, wash inside out on a gentle cycle and air dry to preserve adhesion. If an edge lifts later, reheat that spot for 5 to 7 seconds with the iron or add 2 to 3 small tacking stitches. This fixes most failures. If the adhesive still fails, replace the sticker or use fusible web for a stronger bond. You'll save time and keep the look intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.